Hello my friends, and welcome back to my channel, and welcome to a Spiegelmom Scraps project for you today. So if you saw my background basics layout yesterday, you saw that I was in a stitching and sequin mood, and yesterday I did stitching, stamping, and sequins, 3 of my 4 favorite S's. I didn't do any stenciling, and I did not do any stenciling today either, but I was sort of in that mood, and I wanted to carry it over into this layout. And as you know, on the layout yesterday, I showed you this cut file from 31 Days of Cut Files, and this is from the first week, so the week that was Confessions of a Paper Addict, and there were stitching cut files, and I've been using this as a template so far, and this time I really just used the circle as my template, and I did 2 large circles, and then I just used a couple of things that were on my desk. I think I used a washi tape for these larger circles, and then I used the inside of something for the smaller ones, and I decided to do a mixture of stitching and sequins. So now look at this gorgeous photo, my friends. So our toddler Diego turned 4 last week, so his actual birthday was sort of midweek, so this was just a fun little family celebration on the day. So there he is, looking just so grown up and so cute with his mom's favorite cheesecake. It's an apple caramel cheesecake. It really is good. So, yes, I wanted to continue on the stitching and sequins, of course, and then because Mad About Mini Paper Pads is coming up on the weekend, I decided to sort of get out some 6x6 papers, and this is a large Stampin' Up! Set that I have. I don't even remember what it's called or when I got it. I think I got it last year or a couple of years ago, and I have a few papers here from a pad. I can't remember. Was this maybe like pool? I can't remember, but I had a few extra little papers, so I got those out as well. And I'm working with two older sequin mixes, Lost in the Pages and Vintage Things, and I really do like these 2 mixes. And you see, I was going here a little bit for the sort of peachy color, then the golden yellow color that is brought in by the daylilies here and even by the cake. And then I just wanted to bring in the aqua minty tealy blue because I just love that color, and I figured it went very well with the whole mood and feel of this layout. So in the Lost in the Pages, I used the golden yellow, and then from Vintage Things, I used the sort of peachy pink and all of the teal colors. So I started, of course, with my stitching, and I matched those same 3 colors because I had already chosen the 6x6 papers that I was going to use. Where is... so I have this lovely pink, this gorgeous golden yellow, and then this multicolored stripe, which I really like. And of course I did a full layer for the first one, and then partial layers for the 2 in the back. Popped the photo up on foam, but in fact, before doing that, of course, I did my sequins. And I just, like I said, I traced my circles. Once I had the stitching done, I traced the circles there, and I just went around with the sequins. And I really love the different textures dimensions, sparkliness. So I love, love, love how this turned out. And when you do something like this, the same as the layout that I did yesterday, really, quite frankly, you need very, very little embellishing after. The papers, the stitching, and the sequins are really almost a focal embellishment. Not almost, they are a focal embellishment on their own. So I got the photo up, and then I decided I would just do a little embellishing in the larger circles and actually use that for my title. And I got the, these are from Pink Fresh, yeah, Pink Fresh Studio Alpha out to do 4 and fun here because he turned 4 and it was a fun day. Then I went into my Brighter Days kit from Mercy Tiara kit, so the sort of sweet side of my How to Kill a Kit with Style for this month. Got the stickers out and the chipboard flare. I used 2 chipboard flare in the smaller stitched circles, and then I used a few of the stickers here. So hooray, just this fun sort of pattern, enjoy this moment. And then I went in and I got a couple of flare from my stash, the best, and this, I just like the colors, it just sort of matched, so I popped those there. And then I thought I would just go and add a few more sequins to fill in some of the white space instead of doing splattering, because I think the sequins sort of do that effect, and I just added some more sequins all the way around. I framed the whole layout in my Bella Boulevard Besties, and this is Gulf. So I framed it all because I was wondering, was I going to leave it as a 12 by 12 and do my outlining? But no, I really wanted to ground it a little bit more because there is still a fair amount of white space there. So I framed, cut my white cardstock down and framed the layout. So there you go, my friends. So I love doing shapes. You've seen me do this before. I love doing shapes with sequins in addition to doing the main sort of shaker elements. But I do love combining stitching with sequins. I really do love the effect and the different texture that it gives. So there again, I used vintage things and lost in the pages. My affiliate link to get over into the shop is down below. If you want to go and do a little bit of shopping, it gets you there quickly, gives me a little commission. But you can also, even more importantly, use my code Moira15 to get a discount on your order, my friends. Thank you so, so much for being here with me, and I will see you back here very, very soon in E-Cute. I will see you back here soon. Stay safe and have a happy, scrappy day, my friends. Bye for now.